So after taking anterior abdominal wall, I will take the quadrants of abdomen. So in the morning, we have seen the composition of anterolateral abdominal wall. Now this abdominal cavity is very large cavity, and the organs in this cavity for their proper location, we have divided, that is, anatomists have divided this cavity into 9 quadrants with the help of 4 imaginary planes, 2 horizontal planes and 2 vertical planes. Now the horizontal planes are, first is transpyloric plane, and the second is transtubercular plane, so this abdominal cavity, it is divided into 9 quadrants with the help of 4 imaginary planes. This 2 horizontal planes. This is the transpyloric plane, and the second one is the transtubercular plane, and the 2 vertical planes are right lateral and left lateral planes. So in this way, this is the costal margin of right side, then this is left side costal margin. Here is the umbilicus. This is the first lumbar vertebra. This is the fifth lumbar vertebra. This is inguinal ligament, pubic symphysis. So this is transpyloric plane, and this is the transtubercular plane. This is the right lateral plane. This is the left lateral plane. This is the position of umbilicus. Now, this abdominal cavity is divided into these 9 quadrants for the purpose of proper location of the viscera. So, if we see this quadrants, 9 quadrants, they are divided into this median zone from above downwards, then right zone and left zone. So, this is the abdominal cavity. First we see this transpyloric plane. The name is given because it crosses through the pylorus of the stomach. It is also called as transpyloric plane of Addison. So anteriorly, roughly, it passes through the 9th costal cartilage, and this its vertebral level, as you can see over here, at the lower border of body of the first lumbar vertebra. So the viscera, which is located at this plane, these are the pylorus of the stomach, then the beginning of the duodenum, then neck of the pancreas, and ala of the kidneys. Now this second horizontal plane is the transtubercular plane. Now the name, the transtubercular, is given because it crosses the tubercles of iliac crest. Now this posterior level, that is vertebral level of this plane, is the upper border of body of the fifth lumbar vertebra. So these are the two horizontal planes. Now as you see that these two vertical planes are right lateral plane and left lateral plane. Now these planes, they corresponds to the mid clavicular planes or mammary lines. Now these planes, they passes through the tip of ninth costal cartilage up to the mid-inguinal point. Now the regions here, first we will take the middle zone. From above downwards, this is the epigastric region. This is the umbilical region, and this is the hypogastric region. If we take the middle zone from above downwards, the region are epigastric, umbilical, and hypogastric region. If we take the right zone from above downwards, these are the right hypochondrium, this is the right lumbar region, and this is the right iliac region or iliac fossa. Similarly, this left zone from above downwards, it is left hypochondrial region. Then it is left lumbar, and this is left iliac fossa. So these are the 9 quadrants which are produced by 4 imaginary planes. Now we will see which viscera lies in each of this quadrant. Because we have made these quadrants for the purpose is to locate proper location of the viscera. Now in this right hypochondrium, liver and gallbladder lies. So in this right hypochondrium, liver and gallbladder is there. In the left hypochondrium, this region is related to stomach, spleen, then epigastrium is related to stomach, duodenum, pancreas. Now this right lumbar, in this region, there is a presence of right kidney, right ureter, and ascending colon. Similarly, in the left lumbar, there is presence of left kidney, left ureter, and descending colon is there. In the umbilical region, there is aorta, inferior vena cava, and small part of stomach also lies. piles of small intestine. In this right iliac fossa, there is cecum with vermiform appendix. In this left iliac fossa, there is presence of sigmoid colon, and this hypogastric region, there is urinary bladder, distended uterus, and this periphery of the abdominal cavity, there is a presence of large intestine. And jejunum, piles of jejunum and ileum, they occupy this lumbar, iliac, also umbilical region. Shall I repeat this viscera in the quadrants? Right hypochondrium. In this quadrant, there is a presence of liver and gallbladder. In the left hypochondrium, there is stomach, spleen, this epigastrium, there is stomach, then beginning of the duodenum, then pancreas, and here this right lumbar, right kidney, right ureter, and ascending colon. Similarly, left lumbar, here in this quadrant there is a presence of left kidney, left ureter, and descending colon. In the umbilical region, there is a presence of, again, this is the transverse colon, because this at the periphery of the cavity there is a large intestine. So umbilical region, it is related to the aorta, then inferior vena cava, then the transverse colon. Here in this right iliac fossa, there is a presence of cecum with vermiform appendix. The left iliac fossa is related to the sigmoid colon, and this hypogastric region is related to the urinary bladder and distended uterus. So these are the 9 quadrants of the abdomen. Now we'll see some incisions. This one? Oh, right and left hypochondria. There is no any name of such this. Hypo means below. There is no any explanation as such. Anyways, फिर भी मैं search करूँगी. उसमें तो नहीं दिया है. Now we see some incisions, surgical incisions. First is the midline incision. Now this midline incision is present in the median line. It may be the supraumbilical or the infraumbilical. No? Suppose this is the anterior median line. This is the umbilicus. Now this midline incision, it may be supraumbilical or it may be infraumbilical. Now these the incisions are through the lineal bar. Here, this is the white tendinous raphe, which extends from the zipper process up to the pubic symphysis. Now there, in this midline incisions, there are some uses or positive factors of this midline incisions. There is no cutting of this any muscle fiber. No injury to any nerve. Again, there is no blood loss. Hmm? And that is why this supraumbilical incisions. But what is the negativity of this incisions? There may be the occurrence of incisional hernia may take place in this midline incisions. As you know that there is rectus abdominis is present on either side of this midline, isn't it? Now, this below this muscle, it is an arrow, and as it ascends, it widens. So, in such a incisions, there is possibility of this incisional hernias. As compared to the supraumbilical hernia, intraumbilical hernias are much better than this supraumbilical, because in this region, the approximation of this both the recti is more, and that is why healing takes place quickly as compared to this supraumbilical regions. So this is about this midline incision. Second is the paramedian incisions. Now the paramedian incisions are parallel to this anterior median line. Now these incisions are most preferred as compared to this midline incisions, because in such incisions there is occurrence of incisional hernias is minimal and healing is quick. So most of the times these paramedian incisions are preferred as compared to this midline incisions. Now third type of incision is the McBurney's incision, or also called as gridiron incision. In the right iliac fossa, in this region, an oblique incision is taken whenever there is a surgery for appendicectomy is there. For appendicectomy, this oblique incision is taken in this right iliac fossa, and that incision is called as McBurney's incision, or also called as gridiron incision. Now the next incision is that Kocher's incision, or right subcostal incision. Right subcostal incision. As the name suggests, this incision has been taken 2 centimeters below and parallel to this right costal margin, and it is taken for the access to the gallbladder and associated ducts. So this right subcostal incision is also called as Kocher's incision, and the last is the transverse incision. Now these transverse incisions are taken in the lower abdominal wall, especially for the surgeries of uterus and ovary.